Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting tech adventure. I'm Esther, and today we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of technology. From cutting-edge innovations to the latest trends, we've got it all covered in this video. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Great, let's get started. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Begin by preparing your handwritten document. Use a scanner or a smartphone camera to capture clear images of each page of your handwritten document. Save these scanned or photographed images on your computer or device. In this interface, type and convert written notes to text online.
Go down the list and select Pen to Text. Click Get Started for free. Click Notes OCR. Click the plus sign to attach your scanned handwriting document. And here your document is converted. By the right-hand corner you will see Export. Click it to export your document and then click the document, then copy it to your preferred area for further editing.